friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the update sets. So first you should navigate the update set in your navigation menu. So while we are entering into the update sets, there are some types of updates sets are available here. Those are the, just have a look here, local update sets, okay, retrieved update sets and merge update sets and update sources. So generally we are only use these four types. So those are the local update sets, merge update sets and retrieved update set and update sources. So coming to the first one, so that is the local update set is the first one. So what is update set? So simply to say that it is a group of customizations or configuration changes from one instance to another instance. Okay, so simply to say that that is a update set. And now let me take that how we are created the update sets. So that is, it is mainly to transferring of the data from one instance to another instance. So by the help of this one, that is the local update set is there. Just click on the local update set and just let you observe this one, that is the globe icon. Just you will observe this globe icon. So this globe icon is now it's been in our global state. So if you are created the new local update set, so then it's being changed to that. So that is the whatever the changes you will do, so those all are will be captured by that particular update set. Okay, so that is the our whatever the applications you have created in earlier, so those all are there. So if you want to, okay, create the new update set, for example new, so that new update set is the, so what is the name of update set? So that is the story 10000, okay, 25. So in progress, is there any parent to this particular update set? So if it is there, then simply to mention that or just leave it that it belongs to IRCTC, for example IRCTC. So just make it that. So IRCTC app, for example, let it be. And release date, those are not those all are okay. In our real time point of view, definitely you should also give that, okay, while you shouldn't leave that in our parent point of view. So is there any parent update set, then simply to give that parent update set. And now the application already started with the only, okay, this one, that is the global, and you should also, if you are already been in a scoped, already you should also been in a scoped, so then you should created that scoped update set. Okay, now it's the global type. So for example, after the completion of these details, then you should give the submit and make current, submit and make current. So just have a look here, submit and make current. In this, you have created the new update set, new local update set, that is the this one. So story in progress, make and, okay, 10025. So just have a look here, it's been, okay, now it's been in our scope level. So that is the, but application is global. Why? Because you shouldn't change the application. That means if you are selecting as a application as IRCTC or something like that, then this application scope is being as a IRCTC app, okay, so something. So that means that now this update set is only created in global way. So that means this is after the creation of this one. So whatever the changes you will do, that means just have a look. So for example, IRCTC, just like IRCTC new registration form is there. Just open it here. So if this particular application is belongs to global, so then whatever you should also make the changes. That changes is, just have a look, configure form layout. maybe text to type. Configure form layout. Okay, configure form design. Next method. So in this method, just have a look. So these are the fields are okay. Some okay. So that is the address. Just let you wait that the form is now loading. Okay, switch to scope of this view is the IRCTC. Now this field is send it to the this side. Okay, for good form presentation. So that is the phone number. Okay, created register date, it's fine. And so nominee name and age, okay, it's fine. And if you want to create the new fields, so that is the calendar already there, choice field. For example, if you want to create the new choice, so that is there. And choice field name is here, just so the choice field name, so that is the that is the ID, unique ID already there. Okay, type of registration, type of registration. So type of registration is there, and choice is the online, or second one is the manual. So manual or offline, whatever it may be. So these are there. Just save them. This is the type of registration. And if you want to create the any other fields, so let me take that. That is the already field names are available here. So choice is already there, and date field already there, and our reference, is there any reference fields? Reference, just reference field. Now I am taking the reference fields, that is the, just pick that. So that reference is, just change that, that reference is the designation, designation. So that designation is the table is different, that is the CMN underscore department might be. So just have a look, sorry, not department. So that is belongs to sys user, sys underscore user, lookup rule, just you have to take the lookup rule, sys underscore user, and dependent on, so title is there, just have a look, designation, no, okay, just a designation. So how we are getting the designation, just have a look. So designation default, so just have a look, designation is there. So now save it here. Now come to this place and just refresh this button, reload this form. Yes. Now the form has changed here. So whatever the updates I have given in our in through our form design, so then let me change those changes. Okay, our form presentation. So in this, so just whatever the developments, that means the whatever the methods you have chosen, so that is the form design is there, and you have created the some fields, that is the two fields have created. So those all the data will be storing at this particular update set. Okay, this particular, just have a look here. So in which update set here? So IRCTC registration right now. Why? Because, so why it is changed? In earlier application scope is being as a global, but now it's been in our IRCTC registration. Why? Because, so when we are doing the such type of developments, then it may ask you the one particular dialog box that is displaying here. That is the, so this particular IRCTC application already been in our application scope is IRCTC X underscore. So this is the IRCTC. Am I proceed with this? Okay, so then I should also continue on that particular dialog window. So when I continue that, so then this scope is being as a IRCTC registration. So now it's been in our IRCTC registration. Now the total developments and whatever the things you have done it, those all are captured by this particular update set. Okay. So now this is the update set. Now it's completed. For example, if it is completed, then just have a look. Configure dictionary. Just have a look. User is there. Okay. Choice list specification. Okay. Designation reference. Okay, reference and user table is there. Actually that is not belongs to, maybe select lookup box, not reference. Lookup. Okay, so now if you want to make the, okay, so, if you want to do the some other fields are also added here, that is also there. So that is the nominee name. Okay, already there. Member, existing customer. Okay, if you want to add that in this, so just add it here. Nominee name and relationship. Sorry, no, already in our section is there. Okay, nominee details already there. So just save that. Now you have done the particular this one. So now go to this place, that is the local update set. Update sets. Just click on this one. Now come here and now just open the story 100, or no, you shouldn't do the anything here. So IRCTC already there, just open that IRCTC, and now you are going to make that complete of the particular changes. Just have a look here. How many updates are there? There are 48 updates are there in this. Okay, 48 updates are there, and whatever the things you do, those all are will be captured here. Those all are IRCTC point of view, those all are captured here. And default it is also defaultly it is also created the one update set. Okay, almost 48 update sets are there. Now just have a look. So this is being as a state is, for example, whatever the amendments and whatever the changes are there, those all are will be okay after completion of the things. Then just complete it and save it. Okay, now it's going to be completed. So after completion of this one, just observe the this one. So related links, after completion of this particular update set, just have a link. Related links, in our related links, that is the one button is there, that is the export to XML. Just you will click on that. That means the file is going to be downloaded. So whatever the changes you have in our application, okay, in our update sets, those are the those are downloaded here. So that is the export to XML format. XML format already captured the these all items. Now this is the file is there. So this is already done. Now if you want to, okay, so your work has been done here. So now this work is transferred to another person. So that is the your testing person or your colleague also. So for example, you will also do the only 5 stories and someone is also doing the 5 stories. So both are merged at a place. Then those 10 stories will be transferred to testing person. So that time, just simply to make that whatever the work you have done it, so then your work is also transferred to your person, your colleague. So that is the, so already we have downloaded the your file. So that file is simply to transfer, that is the by the help of retrieve update set. Okay, update set. So in our update set, retrieved update set is there. So this retrieved update set is used to the your colleague. Okay, your colleague. Why? Because your data is imported into their instance. So that is the, there is a link is here. Just have a link. Okay. This is retrieved set is used for, okay, generally used the your colleague. Okay, who will get the, okay, your particular work. So that is the that is the your colleague already there, or your senior developer is there. So that senior person is taking off, okay, just taking the your work and simply to imported that work in their instance. So that is the import update set from XML. Just click on this button and then choose the file. So that file is already there. Okay, just you have given that file, you have given that particular file. So that's the file is, so this one, just open that and upload it. Just upload that. Now just observe that. So when you are uploading that file, then it may also displays the, that means your file is transferred to in their instance. Now they should also open this particular file and see that is there any errors are occurred or not. Okay, so that is the, so after committing this update set, ensure you map any unmapped custom tables to a subscription. Okay, so now you have uploaded their data in your instance. Okay, now just you will make that is the preview update set button. After compiling, so is it succeed or not? So that is the succeed. So succeed in a 1 second. Okay, so close that. After succeed, okay, after the succeed of their data, and now make it as a commit update set. So commit update sets. Sometimes it may also displays some errors. So those errors already I told you that. Okay, so those are the uncommitted update set error is there, and collision error is there. Okay, application scope validation issue is there, and okay, duplications. Okay, some duplications are also there. So those all are errors you should also avoid. So if the errors are there, then those errors also will be available. Okay, so those errors are also will be available. So now commit update set. After commit update set, now it's completely, okay, exported, or it's completely imported in their instance, in your senior developer instance. So that is happen. Okay, now committed here. This is completely updated. Okay, now okay, after this one, then just open the their local update set. For example, local update sets, just open it and just have a look here. So that is the IRCTC registration complete state already there. Okay, so that is there. Okay, so now in their instance already they are also doing the some work. So that work is, for example, story 10025. Okay, update set. He has created the one local update set that the name is story 10025 and default one. Okay, already there. This is the IRCTC already there. So just, so this is there. Now completed already there. That means already imported the one local update set. So now both update sets are selected. Okay, so that means this is the story 10025 is the his work. Okay, your senior developer work, and IRCTC registration is the default one is the your work. So both are will be okay. So just selecting here and make it as the merge update set option is there in our related links. Just click on that merged update sets. So in that, what is the name let you provide for the merged update set? Merged update set senior developer, for example, SR developer. So now merge it here. So what are the, okay, so for merging of the particular details you should give that. So that is the you should apply the some condition builder. So that is the, there are multiple okay, this is having the total update sets, but you should take the only two update sets. That is the story 1 story 10025 update set, and another one is the IRCTC registration default one. So just you will keep it as a only those two update sets. So that is the created on today. Okay, and another condition builder is also there. That is the and option is there. That is the, so what is that, application is IRCTC. Let me take that. Okay, no, it's R as especially. So application is IRCTC is the, that condition is R condition. Application is IRCTC. Okay, and next, and state is state is complete. Just have a look. Sorry, IRCTC and in progress, both are in progress mode. No, so you should also give the exact that particular condition builder. Why? Because which update sets are only being to merge. So those two only will be here. So all other are going to, okay, okay, that means those all are going out. How we are doing that? By the help of condition builder. What type of condition let we provide here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, I have a network issue. Okay, now just have a look here. Are you able to see my screen or not? Are you able to see my screen? Okay, is it okay? Please respond. Are you able to see my screen or not? Hi friends, are you able to see my screen? Sorry for inconvenience. I have some issue is there, network issue is there. Okay, let it be. So now, so the thing is, when you are doing the merge update sets, so the for that merged update set, you should also keep it that those merged files only be here. So how we are doing the only those files will be kept on this particular place by the help of condition builder. By the help of condition builder. Now in this, so whatever the update sets are there, just for that purpose, so in progress is there, just let it take here, just going back once. So there is a some files are there. First, this file is also being as a complete mode. So story 10025. First you should also take it as the, that is also there.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see my screen? So just you will make it, that is the our story number 10025 is also being as a complete mode, and then update it here. So now we are going to make the merging of their particular work. So that work is the, so our senior developer update set and our junior developer update set. That is the IRCTC registration, and another one is the story 10025. So now going to choose the merge update set here. So in this merged update set, so that name, just you should give that name merged update set test. Okay, test is there. And now you should give the some condition builder. So only you should also keep it that those two files will be available in this particular place. So how we are doing that? So that is the state is not ignore. Okay, state is okay complete. For example, state is complete. So that is run it here. So how many are there? So there are 3 are there. Okay, and 26th already there. So now 29th, let me choose the another condition builder and created on today also, created on today. So now run it here. So now those two files are only kept here. So now you should make it as the merge. So are you sure you want to merge these two update sets? You will not be able to undo this action. Yes, okay. So what they said here, that is the all update sets being merged must be in the current scope. Okay, so that is there. So before going to make this one, so that is the just being as a global, just being as a global. So when we are being as a global, then only make the this particular thing, that is the SR develop. Okay, and now apply the same one. So that is the state is completed, state is complete and created on today. So just take this and run it. So this is there, and now merge it. So yes, so all update sets being merged must be in the current scope only. Okay, so there is an error. So that error is, so whatever the update sets is there, those all are being as a one scope, under the one scope. That means whatever the application is there, just let you see that. So that is the applications are, this one is the IRCTC registration application and this one is the global. So these two are being different. So if uh, those all are being as a only one update sets, that means the, if that applications are being as a global, okay, or if those all are being as a IRCTC registration, then it must be fine. So now let me take that here. State is okay, state is complete mode. So there are some two files are there. So then those two are merged here. So that is the complete. So global already there. This is the story global is there. Okay. And again adding the some other condition. So that condition is uh, and application is IRCTC. So this is there. Now run it here. So there are two files are there. So now merge these two. So now if the scope of the applications are being as a same, so then let you see that all update sets being merged must be in the current scope. Okay, so it will occur the some error, let it be. So that is the merged update sets. That means whatever the work you have transferred to your senior developer, so then they will also do the particular process. So that is the, so that scope of application is also being under the same, so same, so then only able to merge the particular update sets. After merging of that particular update sets, then this work, this particular file, this update set is transferred to next department, that is the testing department. So that is the thing will happen here. So now let it be. Okay, so there is a process to creation of the update sets, and after completion of your update set work, then you should also transfer the work through the help of, okay, that is the update sets, that is the retrieve update set option is there. So those all are the things will happen, okay, in our real time point of view. And here update set, another concept is also missing, that is the update set. Just have a look. Already you have completed the local update set, how you are created the local update set, and retrieved update set, how you are using the update retrieved update sets. Okay, retrieved update set means simply to do that, that is the importing of the our XML file and our preview update set and commit update set. Later merged update sets, already you have seen that this is the way to merging of the our update sets. And another topic is there, that is the update sources. Just have a look here. While we are clicking on the update sources, there is an option, so that is the, this is belongs to remote instance. So what is the purpose of remote instance? So now click on the new. So that means, for example, uh, the developers, so whatever the application we will develop by the team, so the team is being as a one place, okay, the team is staying at a one place, then simply to make the that particular things, that is the our retrieved update set and merged update set and transferred to the testing department. If the developer is not available on the particular place, that means one developer is being as a Calcut location and another developer is being as a Hyderabad location. So how we are transferring the their data? Okay, so both are doing on the same project, both the members are working on the same project, but they are also okay, they are also doing the some work, some stories, they are also developed the some stories, and another branch location they are also doing the some persons, okay, some work. So then how we are getting the their works? So that is the by the help of remote instance method is there in our remote instance. So that is the name. So for example, able is there, and type of work is this type of work is the development type and testing base or production base. So development, so in our URL, so just give their URL, that means what is the junior developer URL is there, or uh, whatever it may be. So is he being as a junior developer or developer, whatever it may be, so their URL is also entered in this place, and their username and password also entered in this place. After putting of the these two places, then okay, just make the test connection button. After connection of that button, their instance, okay, so their instance also um, okay, accessed by the particular instance, accessed by the this user. So while they are entering into the their URL, that means that this is the URL, so this URL, so that URL is pasting here, and their username and passwords are also entered here, and make it as a test connection. So if it is connected to the their particular instance, then simply to make it the, okay, submit and do the same functions, in our remote instance. So that means where they are located, so if it is not a problem, so simply to drag